Shivanand Sharma Memorial RV College, Video Lectures and ISR Initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Professor Rani Antony Raj, Department of BBA, has posted a video on the subject cost accounting and the topic overhead cost control, problem solving, part 3. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Overhead cost control. Distribution of overheads has been classified into two types, primary distribution and secondary distribution. Problem solving under primary distribution I have already explained in my previous video, and in this video I am going to explain how to solve the problem under secondary distribution method or redistribution of overheads. Redistribution of overheads has been classified into three types: direct distribution method, step ladder method and reciprocal method. Reciprocal method has been further classified into two steps, the repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to solve the problem under repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. It's very important in your examination point of view. Here state the question. A factory has 3 production department and 2 service department. The overhead department distribution summary shows following. A, B and C are production department. P and Q are service department. These are the expenses of service department. The expenses of service department P and Q, the expenses are 2340 and 3000, are to be apportioned as follows, which means that the expenses of P and Q has to be redistributed according to the percentage which has been given in a problem. How the service department overhead are to be distributed to production department under repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. Repeated distribution method means where the expenses of service department has to be redistributed until you get the value as nil. Until then, the expenses has to be distributed to all the departments according to the given percentage in a problem. Now, I'll show you how to solve the problem here, a repeated distribution method. Coming to the first one, overhead as per primary distribution. Price department A is 8000, B 7000, C 6000. Service department P is 2340, Q is 3000. Now the expenses has to be redistributed under repeated distribution method according to the percentage which has been specified here. Now the percentage is 20%, 40%, 30% and 10%. P is 2340 has to be distributed to all the departments. The entire amount of 2340 has to be distributed here. So 2340 into 20%, you will be getting 468. 2340 into 40%, 936. 2340 into 30%, 702. 2340 into 10%, it is 234. Since we have taken out entire amount here, 2340 entire amount has been taken out, you will be getting the nil value here. It is nil. Now 3000 plus 234, you will be getting 3234. The entire amount of 3234 has to be distributed to all the departments according to the percentage specified here. The percentage is 40%, 20%, 20%, 20%. 3234 into 40%, you will be getting 1294. 3234 into 20%, 647. 3234 into 20%, 647. 3234 into 20%, 646. Since the entire amount 3234 has been taken out here, you will be getting a nil value. Now the service department P, we have a value remaining in the service department P is 646. This 646, the entire amount has you redistributed, you will be getting 646 into 20%. Whatever the percentage which has been specified in the problem, the same thing we have to distribute. 646 into 20%, 646 into 40%, 258, 646 into 30%, 194, 646 into 10%, 65. Now we have a remaining balance in the service department Q is 65 rupees. This 65 rupees again it has to be redistributed according to the percentage. 65 into 40, 65 into 20% you will be getting 13. 65 into 20% it is 13. 65 into 20% 13. Since the entire amount of 65 has been taken out, the remaining balance here is nil, and we have in the service department P it is 13 rupees. Again this 13 rupees has to be redistributed to all the department. Again 13 into 20% 3, 13 into 40% 5, 13 into 30% 4, 13 into 10% it is 1. Now 1 rupee it is there in Q. 1 rupee has to be again redistributed to all the department. Since 1 rupee cannot be distributed to all the department, we will distribute only for department A. So I have taken it for department A. When you total up everything, you will be getting the total expenses of production department, whereas the total in the service department it will be nil. Until when you get the value as nil, till then you have to do the distribution of service department overheads. So this is called as repeated distribution method. The total value is, that is 9,921 under A, 8,859 under B, 7,560 under C. This is how we have to solve the repeated distribution method. Next we will move on to simultaneous equation method. Under simultaneous equation method, we are going to find out the value of X and value of Y. It is nothing but value of service department P and service department Q. Even though the value expenses has been given here, we have to find out the expenses as per simultaneous equation method. There are 5 steps. In order to make you understand easy, I have made it into step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4 and step 5. The first step states as, let the total overhead of service department P be X. That is, let the total overhead of P is what? 2,340 of service department P let it be as X. In order to find the value of X and Y, that is the value of P and Q, we are naming it as X and Y. Let the total overhead of service department Q, that is total overhead of service department is how much? 3,000. B, let it be as Y. First we have to make that. Then step 2, that is X is equal to, we have to make it as an equation. That is X is equal to 2,340. It is the total overhead. Total overhead of service department P. 2,340 plus 20% of Y. See here P, 20% of Y have taken. 20% of Y have written down here. 20% of Y. For P we have to take it as Y percentage. For Q you have to take X percentage. Next X is equal to 2,340 plus this 20%, when you convert it into numbers you will be getting 0.2y. That will be the equation 1. Then second equation is Y is equal to, that is 3,000. 3,000 is Q value. Service department of Q is 3,000 plus 10% of X. 10% of X. 10% of X. So Y is equal to 3000 plus, when you convert the percentage into numbers you will be getting 0.1x. This is equation 2. After converting into equation, we need to find out the values of X and Y. Under simultaneous equations, since these two are variables, x and y are variables, we need to cancel any one of the variable, either x or y. Then you will be getting the value of one variable. With the help of one variable, you can find the value for another variable. Further, we are going to cancel the y variable. That is step 3. Multiply the equation 1. Equation 1 is x is equal to 2340 plus 0.2y. This is equation 1 by 5. Okay, when you multiply by 5, we will be getting x, that is x is equal to 2340 plus 0.2y multiplied by 5. You will be getting 5 into x, 5x is equal to 2340 into 5, 11,700 plus 0.2y into y is 1y you will be getting. So adding equation, next step 4, adding equation 3. Equation 3 is whatever the value we have got it now. 5x is equal to 11,700 plus y, adding equation 3, and second equation. You can check the second equation. Y is equal to 3000 plus 0.1x. So you have to add these two, equation 3 and 2 has to be added. When we are adding this only to cancel any one variable, for that purpose we are adding it here. So 0.1x, it is on your right hand side. So when you get it on your left hand side, it will be minus 0.1 minus y. Y is on your left hand side. When it comes to your right hand side, it will be minus. So we have brought the variables together. Now cancel the x plus y and minus y will get cancelled. 5x minus 0.1x. 5x minus 0.1x, you will be getting 4.9x, and 11,700 plus 3,000, you will be getting 14,700. So 4.9x is equal to 14,700. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 14,700 divided by 4.9. X value is 3,000. This 3,000, we can substitute the value for y. 5 is x is equal to, take the first equation, x is equal to 2340 plus 0.2y. Then we know the value for x. You can substitute the same value here, 3000 is equal to 2340 plus 0.5. 3000 minus, it is on your right hand side. When you get it into your left hand side, it will become minus 3000 minus 2340 is equal to 0.2y. 3000 minus 2340, 660 is equal to 0.2y. Y is equal to 660 divided by 0.2. Y value is 3300. So this is the total overhead of service department. P is 3000, Q is 3300. This is how you need to solve the simultaneous equation, where you will be finding the new values of overheads for the service department. Now whatever the values here, that values has to be redistributed. These are the expenses of P and Q. This expenses needs to be redistributed again. That is known as secondary distribution or redistribution of overheads. Now coming to here, secondary distribution overhead. Overhead as per primary distribution. Check in the problem whatever the expenses which is given according to a primary distribution. 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 2,340 and 3,000. The same thing have written down here. Next, now we have got the new values for P and Q. That is, values has to be redistributed. We'll start with P. P value is 3000. Service department of P 3000, and we have to distribute these new values according to the percentage which has been specified in the question. The same percentage we have to take it. 30,000 into 20%, you will be getting 600. 3,000 into 40%, 1,200. 3,000 into 30%, 900. 3,000 into 10%, 300. Now we have taken the entire amount of 3,000. Here in the P, earlier expense was 2340. So 2340 minus 3000, you will be getting minus 660. Okay, now add this 3000 plus 300, it is 3300. Whatever the value we have got it is correct, 3300. The entire amount 3300 needs to be again redistributed. Before that, just total up everything. 8000 plus 600, it is 8600. 7000 plus 1200, 8200. 600 plus 900, it is 6900. And 2340 minus 3000, the value, new value is 3000. Will be when you minus it, minus 660, you will be getting 3000 plus 300, 3300. Again the 3300 value has to be redistributed. When you redistribute it, you will be getting the value as 1320, 660, 660. Here also 660 plus 660 minus 660 will 0. Then 3300 minus 3000, the entire amount we have taken out, so it remains nil value. Then the total of production department are, the total value is 9920, 8860, 7560. This is how we need to solve the problem under repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. I have taken one more problem. We'll solve that also. This is problem 2. A factory has 3 production department and 2 service department. The overhead for distribution summary as follows. Here the same thing, production department is ABC and service department they have given S and T. The expenses, that is whatever the expenses of a service department has to be apportioned according to the percentage which has been specified here. Show how the service department to be distributed to a production department under repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. Repeated distribution method, which means that the expenses of service department has to be redistributed until you get the value as nil, and you have to do the repeated distribution. Under simultaneous equation, we will be finding the new values for this department, that is X and T. Based on that values, again we need to redistribute it, that is known as secondary distribution of overheads. First we will learn how to solve this, that is repeated distribution method. Primary overhead as per primary distribution. Overhead as per primary distribution, it is 3000, 2000, 1000, which is there in the problem. The same thing I have entered here, and S is 234 and 300. Start with service department S. 234 rupees has to be distributed to all the departments under the percentage which has been specified here. 234 into 20%, you will be getting 47. 234 into 40%, 94. 234 into 30%, 70. 234 into 10%, 23. Since we have taken out the entire amount, so the value will be nil. Remaining is 300 plus 23. 323 you will be getting. This 323 has to be distributed according to the percentage which has been specified here. 323 into 40%, 129. 323 into 20%, 65. 323 into 20%, 65. 323 into 20%, it is 64. Now we have the value of 64 under service department S. The 64 value, again it has to be redistributed to all the departments according to the percentage until you get the value as nil. You can check here, service department T we have got as 6 here. After distributing it, 6 has to be again distributed. When you redistribute it, you will be getting as 2, 2, 2, and here it will be nil values. So when you total up all the production department overhead, you will be getting the total as 3192, 2186, 1156. So this is the repeated distribution method. Next we will move on to simultaneous equation method. Under simultaneous equation, first we will classify, that is let the total overhead of service department S will be X and T will be Y. After that, X is equal to 234 plus 20% of Y, and Y is equal to 300 plus 10% of X we have taken. That will be equation 1 and this is equation 2. In order to cancel any one variable, multiply the first equation by 5. When you multiply the first equation by 5, you will be getting 5x is equal to 1170 plus y. This is called as third equation. Now the step 4 states that adding equation 3 plus 2, that is equation 3 and equation 2 needs to be added. When you add it, we will be getting 4.9x is equal to 1470. Find the value of x. The value of x is 300. With the value of x, you can find the value for y by substituting the same value. When you substitute the values, then you will be getting y value as 330. This is the new value which we have been raised after the simultaneous equation. Whatever the overhead we have received here, this overhead has to be redistributed against all the departments. That is known as secondary distribution overhead. Then overhead as per primary distribution, whatever there in specified in the question, the same thing we have to write it down here: 3000, 2000, 1000, 234 and 300. And we have to redistribute the expenses which we have got it new that after simultaneous equation. That is S is 300. 300 has to be distributed according to the percentage which has been specified in the question. That is 300 into 20% 60, 300 into 40% 120, 300 into 30% 90, 300 into 10% 30. Okay. Now 234 minus 300, you will be getting minus 66. And here 300 plus 30, it is 330. Whatever the value we have got it here, it is correct. Redistribute again the new value what we have got it. 3330 into 40% will be getting 132. 330 into 20% 66. 330 into 20% 66. 330 into 20% 66. Now the values in the service department is nil. Then in the production department, whatever the values it is there, just add up that. When you add it up, the total will be 3192, 2186, 1156. This is how you need to solve the problem under repeated distribution method and simultaneous equation method. Thank you for watching.